Yo, what is going on, guys? Hope you're having a great week. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is basically going to be showing you the best DoorDash promo codes in 2023. If you're like me, you hate spending money, especially on these food delivery apps, because they charge a premium. You're almost paying double price for anything you order. But there are available promo codes, especially for DoorDash, and I've managed to find probably the best promo codes that you're going to be able to find. I spent weeks looking. I went on vacation in the US and I was ordering using this method multiple times, and it saved me tons of money. So not only can you get free food on DoorDash, but you can get a $100 account credit code. So it does what it says on the tin, guys. It's going to give you $100 in your DoorDash account, and you can spend it across as many orders as you want. So anyway, let me stop talking, record my screen, and show you guys how to get the best DoorDash promo codes in 2023. So you need to use your mobile phone for this. I'm sure you have one. Open up the internet. And you need to go to this website, guys, so make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to type it here, because it's crucial you go to the correct website, www.speedycoupons.com. So you're looking for this website here, Speedy Coupons, open it up, and this is what it looks like. Go to the search bar at the top. Actually, let me just show you. You can manually scroll down. As you can see, there's tons of different pages. So if you've got the patience, you can scroll down, or you just go to the search bar here and type in DoorDash, and it will pop up here, DoorDash free credit and coupons. Open that page up and scroll down. You can see this has been rated over 1,000 times, completely legit and working. Basically, you can see here as well, it says tips. It says work out what codes work better for you, free orders or free credit. So there are two different codes. You can get 3 DoorDash food orders for free, or $100 account credit. So if you do extremely large orders on DoorDash, the 3 orders may be better. However, if you like to do small orders like me, I tend to purchase lunch. $100 is going to go a bit further. So all you need to do, guys, is click on the one you want, show coupon, and it says here $100 account credit, and it says door, and you can see, guys, it blocks out the full code. As you can imagine, these $100 codes are pretty lucrative, so people create bots to steal all of the codes. So to unlock your code, you need to just obviously click unlock code and then follow the instructions on the page that follows this. I won't do it because I don't need another account credit code. I literally done this around 5 minutes ago, so I'll save the codes. But all you need to do is press unlock code, follow the instructions on the next page carefully. It takes around 3 to 5 minutes and it's completely free. And yeah, it's well worth it because you're going to get the $100 DoorDash promo code for this. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.